So can anyone give me today's date in chat box?
Two thousand 20.
Then, so today's date is 6/10/2020. And yes, today is Tuesday. Very good, children. So you are all, updating the date and day every day. Very good. So number 6 denotes today's date, and number 10 tells us we are in which month. So we are in which month? October. 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 And 2020 is the year.
Ma'am,
Just a moment, Kana. I'm just sharing. Yeah. So, can anyone tell me the screen is visible?
yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, thank you. Yes, you can all mute now. So before that, we'll have a recap on our letter C. Yes. So let us see. So children, I hope you all remember. So phonics is we have 7 groups in phonics, isn't it? And in that we have completed our first group, SATIPN. Yes. And now we are in our second group. So in our second group we have completed letter C. Hope you all remember the phonic sound for letter C. We have 2 types of sounds for letter C. One is a hard C and another one is soft C. Yes? Okay. So, yes. So before moving into to our next letter, see, we all know vowels, isn't it, children? We all are thorough with the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So A, E, I, O, U vowels, these vowels are having 2 types of sounds. Okay. Avanishwar, you have given something in the chat box. Can you please tell me what is it? Children, I do not want anybody to touch the screen unnecessarily. I want only the answers in the chat box and nothing else should be seen. Yes? Okay. Get the help of your parents and ask if parents are with you. Ask them to type in the chat box. Okay. So let us not repeat this again. Okay, the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now we have 2 kinds of sounds. One we call it as short vowel sound. Short vowel sound, and the other one is long vowel sound. Short vowel sound, long vowel sound. So the short vowel sound is nothing but it is the sound of the letter. Sound of the letter. And long vowel sound is nothing but it takes the name of the letter. takes the name of the letter. Short vowel sound is the sound of the letter, and long vowel sounds are the name of the letter. Okay, let's see that with some examples. So the short vowel as an apple, short vowel as an apple, e as an egg, e as an igloo, o as an octopus, as an umbrella. I'll repeat again. So the short vowel sounds goes like this: apple, egg, igloo, octopus, umbrella. So it is the sound of the letter. Sound of the letter. And the long vowels, the long vowel sounds goes like this: ape, eat, I as an ice, O as an oatmeal, U as an unicorn. So A, E, I, O, U. Long vowel sounds goes like this: A, E, I, O, U. And short vowel sounds goes like this: E, O, Yes, children, so be very clear with this and be thorough with the short vowel and long vowel sounds, because it plays a very important role in our phonics. So when short vowel blends with the consonants, it gives us some sound. When long vowels blends with the consonants, it gives us some sound. And when two vowels blend together, it gives us some other sound. Yes? So each time when a letter blends with the other letter, we get a new sound. Yes, children. So today we are going to see about letter K. Children, listen to the class very carefully. We have some spelling rules and the rules for the letter K. So be very thorough with this. So that it will be very useful for us in writing also. Yes, not only for reading. There are few places where the k sound will get little confused when it comes to writing. Whether we have to use the letter C, letter K for the k sound. So be very attentive and be very clear with the rules. So letter K. So letter K, the action goes like this: raise your hands and pretend to fly a kite. We all love to fly a kite, isn't it, children? Do we all? Do we all like to fly a kite? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Yes, Nandana, we all love to fly a kite. So let us pretend like flying a kite. So when we are flying a kite, let us say the sound also. K. K. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Yes, children. So letter C is also having the k sound. Letter K is also having the k sound. And when letter C and K blend together, that also makes the k sound. Let's see that in detail. Yes? Okay. So when we are writing the words, children, we all write, isn't it? We all write classworks. Yes? So when we write a word and when we get a k sound, when we are writing, when there is a k sound in the word, so which letter we are going to use? Are we going to use the letter C? Okay. Are we going to use the letter C? Okay. Let's see that. So if a word has A, O or U, A, O or U, put C. You all remember the hard C rule? Hard C's blends only with A, O, U to make K sound. Yes? So if it is a K sound and we have the K sound blending with the vowels A, O and U, we use the letter C. If a word has E or I, if a word is having E or I, for K sound, we will use the letter K. We will use the letter K. So use K after a consonant letter or vowel pair. Consonant letter. We all know consonants, isn't it? So when there is a consonant or vowel pair. Vowel pair means when two things are there, we say it as pair. Pair. Pair of socks, pair of shoes. Yes, when two things are there, we'll say it as pair. So when there are two vowels, vowel pair, two vowels, it means vowel pair, we are going to use the letter K. Muhammad Alman, do not give the annotation request. Yes, children, I'll repeat all these rules one more time. Do I use C or K? If a word has A, O or U, put C. If a word has E or I, put K. So use K after a consonant letter or vowel pair. See, we have some examples given here. Park. Park. So we have used the letter K for K sound, park, isn't it? Why did we use that? Because we have a consonant R here. So use K after the consonant letter. Yes, Ma, you have any doubt? Okay, the next word.
It's not visible, ma'am.
Screen is not visible.
I can't visible, ma'am.
Can anybody else give me in the chat box whether the screen is visible or not?
Screen is visible, ma'am.
Visible, okay then. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, one more. Tell ma'am.
Sure, dear, sure. I will tell you one more time. Do not worry. Yes, I will repeat this. So, the next word, yeah. Mute your mics now. I will repeat all these rules one more time. Mute your mics and listen. Okay, here goes our next example. Bank. The second word, bank. See, we have used the letter K here for K sound, bank, K. The word is ending with the K sound, and for the K sound, we have used the letter K. Why did we use K here for K sound? Why didn't we use C here for K sound? Because we have a consonant. Because we have a consonant En here, and that is why we have used the letter K. Yes, children, the same goes for the word walk also. And the next letter, peak, book. So can you see we have two vowels here? We have two vowels. We have two vowels, E, and in the word book, O. Yes? It is a vowel pair. We say it as vowel pair. Use K after a consonant letter or vowel pair. So we have used the letter K for the word peak, K for the word book. Yes, children, if a word, I'll repeat again, listen. Do I use C or K? So when we are writing a word and when we have a K sound in that word, are we going to use the letter C or K for K sound? So the rule is telling us if a word has A, O or U, if a word has a vowel A, O or U, put C. So here goes the hard C's rule. The next, if a word has the vowel E or I, put K. Put K. Okay. So let's see some more examples for letter K. Key. K, key. K, cola. See children, now you may have a question in your mind. For the letter word, no, for the word key or kick or for the word cola, ma'am, it is AOU, it is C only, no ma'am, why did you use K? So can you see the vowel here? K-O-A, cola. Here we have a vowel. It's a vowel pair. Yes, we have two vowels here. When we have two vowels, we'll use the letter K. Yes. So, k-kick, k-cola, k-kettle, k-kit, k-kukubala, k-kiwi, k-king, k-kitten, k-kite, k-kangaroo, k-kangaroo. Yes. So here we have some spelling rules. Here we have some spelling rules. When you hear the k sound, should you use C, K or C, K together? See children, when C and the K letter blend together also, we get the k sound. Okay. So now we have three types of k sound. Hard C, and the next one is letter K, K, and the next one, the blend of C and K, CK, K. So let's see what is the rule. What the rule is telling us. Usually use C with AOU. Usually use C with AOU. Examples, cap, cop, cup. So all these words are having the vowel A-O-U. The next rule, use K with E and I. So when we have the vowel E and I, we are going to use the letter K for K sound. Example, k-ken, k-kid, k-kit. So can you see the vowels E and I in these words? Yeah. And the next rule, it is very, very important. Use k, CK, k, after a short vowel sound is heard. So that is why ma'am has told you today what is a short vowel sound and what is a long vowel sound. So be clear with the short vowel and the long vowel sound, children. The short vowel sound is a sound of the letter and long vowel is a name of the letter. So let's see that with the examples. Lock. The first word, lock. Lock. So here the letter, the vowel O is taking the short vowel sound, O. And we have used the, what did we use for K sound? C and K. Why did we use CK in this word? Because the vowel O is taking the short vowel sound. The next word, pick. So in this word, the vowel I is taking the short vowel sound E. Ick, pick, ick, pick. The next word, jacket. So again, the vowel A is taking the short vowel sound jacket. And the last word, pocket. Again, the vowel O is taking the short vowel sound, pocket. Yes, children. So we'll see some more examples, some more words with K sound. Locks. As ma'am is reading all the words, you just you can able to find out the short vowel sound in all these words. Clock, clock. Lock, luck, cracks, cracks. Pack, rocks, rocks. Chicken, again, I. in the word chicken is taking the E sound. Chicken, it's a short vowel sound. Black, ack, black. Pockets, pockets, pockets. Neck, neck, neck. E is taking the short vowel sound. Neck. The last word, woodpecker, pecker, woodpecker. So E is taking again the short vowel sound. Woodpecker. See, all these words are having the short vowel sound, and for short, when there is a short vowel sound, we have to use C cake. C cake. Okay, children. Okay. So now I can read the letter K. I can read the letter K. The first sentence, my kite is blue. My kite is blue. So what is the rule, children, for using the letter K? Use K with E and I. Use K with E and I. My kite is blue. The second sentence, the key is orange. Somebody has unmuted your audio. Kindly check and mute. The key is orange. The third sentence, a king is rich. A king is rich. The next sentence, her kitten was cute. Her kitten was cute. The last sentence, kick the ball hard. Kick the ball hard. Okay, now let's move to our story time. So the story is all about letter K. Kittu and the sad cola. Kittu and the sad cola. So kilo is a sad cola. Kilo is a sad cola. Kittu the kitten comes to play with them every day. Kittu the kitten comes to play with him every day. But Kilo always sleeps. Kilo always, when Kittu is coming to play, what Kilo is doing? He is always sleeping. But Kilo always sleeps. One day, Kittu meets Dr. Kangaroo. One day, Kittu meets Dr. Kangaroo. So Kittu was telling, Kilo does not play with me. He is always sad. Kilo does not play with me. He is always sad, says Kittu. Dr. Kangaroo gives him a golden key. What did Dr. Kangaroo did? Dr. Kangaroo gives him a golden key and says, keep it on Kilo's head. Keep it on Kilo's head. Kittu comes and keeps the key on Kilo's head. Kittu comes and keeps the key on Kilo's head. What happened? Kilo wakes up. Kilo wakes up and smiles at Kittu. Kilo wakes up and smiles at Kittu. They play every day now. Now, what happened? Kittu has become very active and he is very happy now. He is not feeling very sleepy no more. Pradanya, can you please mute your mic? Thank you. They play every day now. So I'll read the story.
Become happy.
Because Dr. Kangaroo gave a golden keys, right? Dr. Kangaroo asked Kitten to keep the golden keys on Kilo's head. I'll read the story one more time. Golden keys. You listen to the story one more time. You will understand. You listen to the story one more time. So the story is about letter K, Kittu and the sad cola. What is the story name? Kittu and the sad cola. So once there was a cola. Okay. So the cola's name is Kilo. What is the name of the cola? Kilo. So Kilo is a sad cola. Kittu, the kitten, is Kilo's friend. They both are friends. Kitten and the Kilo, they both are friends. So Kittu the kitten comes to play with him every day. Every day kitten comes and plays. He wanted to play with Kilo every day. But what did Kilo do? Kilo always sleeps. He will not play with kitten. So kitten is so worried about his friend. One day, what did Kitten do? He went to a doctor. Kittu means Dr. Kangaroo. What is the name of the doctor? Dr. Kangaroo. What did Dr. Kangaroo give? Kitten is telling, Kilo is not at all playing with me. He is always sad and sleepy. Kilo does not play with me. He is always sad. Kitten is telling to the Dr. Kangaroo. So what did Dr. Kangaroo do? Dr. Kangaroo gives him a golden key and says, can you see the golden key in doctor's hand? See, ma'am has circled. And Dr. Kangaroo said, keep it on Kilo's head. Go and keep it on your friend's head. Kittu comes and keeps the key on Kilo's head. Kanna, can you see this picture? He is keeping the golden key on his head. Now you got the answer. What happened after keeping the golden keys on Kilo's head? He became very active. He was not feeling sleepy no more. So Kilo wakes up and smiles at Kittu. They play and every day now. Okay, so let's have a recall on the words from the story. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kitten. Kitten. Cola. Cola. Key. Key. Kangaroo. Kitten. Cola. Key. So what is the name of the cola? Give me the answer in the chat box. What is the name of the cola? Come on. Kilo. Very good, Sai Lakshmi. So, what is the name of the kitten? Kittu. Very good. Kittu the kitten. Dr. Kangaroo. Okay. Very good. So let me have a recap on the rules, children. So I'll read out the rules for you. Anybody is having any doubts? Anyone having any doubts in this k sound? No? See, read as many storybooks as possible. Okay? Make a habit of reading every day. Every day read a story. Then you know all these phonic sounds, this reading of words, sentences, and writing. Everything will become very easy for you all. That is why me, Jayalakshmi ma'am, all the teachers always repeatedly telling you all to read. Make a habit of reading every day. Reading every day. It may be anything. It may be anything. Okay? It may be a story book. It may be a class book. or any story magazines? Yes, you can read anything, but read, make a habit of reading. Okay, let me read out the rule one more time for you all. So, do I use C? Do I use the letter C or letter K? So when we use C and when we use Kavicharan, stop giving the annotation request. So when we use letter C, children, when a word has A, O, U, when the word is having the vowel A, O, or U, use letter C. No issues, Kana. No issues, Kavicharan. Okay. Why I'm telling you not to give the annotation request and touch your screen, see, sometimes what happens if the network is not proper, no, I cannot share I cannot share the things to you all. My sharing will go. Okay. We will have a special class for this alone. Okay. For only scribbling in the WebEx, we will have a class. Do not worry. Okay, the second rule, if a word has E or I, if a word has a vowel E or I, use letter K. Use letter K. Okay. The next rule is telling use letter K, sound after a consonant letter or vowel pair. When there is a consonant letter or a vowel pair, use letter K for K sound. All we are talking about K sound. Yes, children, all the rules we are talking about the K sound. Okay, let's go for a recap on spelling rule, children. Spelling rule. So when you hear K, so when we read, we hear the K sound, isn't it? So which letter do we use for K sound? Are we going to use the letter C or K or CK? So we have rules for this. So letter C is used when there is a vowel A, O or U. Letter C is used when there is a vowel A, O or U. We use the letter K when there is a vowel E and I. We use the letter K when we have the vowel E and I. So when we have a short vowel, so when we hear a short vowel sound, we have to use C and K together. K. This also makes the K sound. When C and K blend together, it also makes the K sound. So children, we have three different types of K sound. One is hard C, another one is letter K, K, and the other one is the blending of C and K, K. Okay, children? Okay. So now, let me show you your assignment, okay? Take a notebook. You're going to take a notebook and write the heading. Rough note is fine, Kana. Rough note is fine, okay? So take your rough notebook and divide your rough note. There, just a moment, ma. Okay.
Ma'am, what book?
Rough note. Not now. This is going to be your activity or your homework or assignment. Okay. So divide your notebook like this. Okay. And now divide your notebook like this and write the date. Before you start writing, write the date and day and then start writing. So in the first column, you will write letter C. Okay, and in the next column you will write letter K, and in the last third column you will write CK. CK together you are going to write. Okay. Okay, now I want you all to find out at least five words. For heart C, 5 words, and for letter K, 5 words, and for letter CK, for this column. Yes, for letter CK, 5 words. In each column, you are going to find out five words and write it and post it in your Google Classroom. Okay, dears? Is this assignment is okay for you all? Yes, you're going to find out. Find out the words for all these k sounds. All the three represents the k sound. Okay, children? Nobody has given me okay, ma'am, I will do it. Why? Okay, ma'am, I will do it. Very good, very good. Very good, children.
I will do it. Okay, ma'am, I will do it.
Superb, dear, superb. Find out the words for all these k sounds, okay? And post it in your Google Classroom. Post it in the Google Classroom. Okay, now I want everyone to mute your mic and unmute your video. Mute your audio, unmute your video. Mute your audio and unmute your video. Let me also unmute my video. I didn't say Jai Gurudev at all. Did I say Jai Gurudev and bye?
Jai Gurudev and bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev and bye. I am
Did I say you all wanted to leave now?
Bye, 2 minutes.
You can.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. Bye bye. So let me see.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, bye, ma'am. My name is Aditya, ma'am.
Yes, I can see Shayan, Gopi Kishan, Jeevana, Jeevika, Krishiv, Dharini, Meenakshi, Ranganathan, Nikhil. Bye bye. Thank you, dear. Darshan, Jai. Bye bye. Nikhil, Krishna.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, dear. Bye bye. Jai Guru Kavicharan. Bye bye. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Krishna, you are showing me something. Good. Bye bye. Mithun. Arshad. One of Arshad. Then who else is here? Naresh. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, dear.